What are we making?
Volcano!
Volcanoes. We're making a volcano. We made this clay from scratch using cornstarch, salt, and water. And now we're adding food coloring.
Red and blue make black.
Yeah.
Look at red and blue make black.
You can start building your volcanoes now that the clay is done. So the plan was originally to make the volcanoes entirely out of clay.
But we ran out of ingredients. So we're just gonna use like some Play-Doh.
We're just layering some Play-Doh on top to finish molding the volcano.
And it's rainbow Play-Doh. More rainbow Play-Doh.
We're done molding your volcanoes and it took a while and it's really messy, huh?
Yeah.
You got really messy. Let me see your hands.
My hands aren't as messy because I washed them. Mom.
Let's see David's hands.
They're not as messy.
We're pouring the lava into the volcano. This is vinegar, dishwashing soap, and food coloring. These are the squares of baking soda that we're gonna dip into the volcanoes to make it explode. Okay guys, you have your baking soda squares.
In here. And here.
Right there. Where's yours, Mason?
And here.
Go ahead and dump them into your volcanoes. Go. Good.
See the bubbles? It's rising.
Is it rising?
It looks so bubbly. So cool, right?
Bubbly.
I want to see. Oh, it's rising so much. It's rising. It's rising.
Mason! Look at Mason!
Look at it.
Run, Mommy Pig!
Look at
Run! It's exploding! Run away!
Mommy Pig can't make it past mine. Mommy Pig fell.
Oh, she fell into the lava. Somebody get Mommy Pig out of the lava.